Greetings. In this video we are going to look at how you can download a video from LinkedIn. So after you have signed into your LinkedIn account and you identify a video that you want to download, for example this video here playing, you come to where the video is here right above on these three dotted lines. Once you click there, it will bring you this, and then you click on copy link to post. And then when you come back to this tool called ExpertsPhP, you paste it in this space here. Okay, so when you paste it there, then you click here to download. Okay, so as you can see, it is right here, the video that was on LinkedIn. So to download, you click here on download video file, and then in case you have this downloader tool, you can select the path for it, but it should automatically begin downloading on your computer. So that is the process that you take to download a video from LinkedIn using ExpertsPhP. Thank you.